Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename your headphones EDIFIER W830NB using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. And right here we have this icon, click on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, click Save, Confirm, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!